where I'm just sorting a load of stuff out. I am going away this weekend. Well, I say this weekend, I'm going away tomorrow evening, which is Wednesday, until the Saturday, potentially the Sunday, but probably just the Saturday. I'm going to stay in London for however many days that is. If anyone is, you know, sport or cricket fans, then you'll know probably what's going on. I am going to be spending Wednesday to Saturday in London, and I will be at Lord's cricket ground. So I'm so excited for him, and just, you know, as all of us that get to go, I'm really excited. But it means that I've had to really sort myself out quickly and fast, and Barcelona was spent pretty much shopping for outfits for it. Yes, that's been really exciting. That's why my ASOS delivery is coming today. I ordered that next day yesterday. That should be here pretty soon actually. And I ordered a dress for the occasion because I didn't have any dresses that would, well, I do have dresses that are knee length, but not that are like smart casual. I ordered something in between. I ordered a shirt dress that is, fingers crossed, probably, most likely, because I'm only 5'2", going to be knee length. Yesterday I was doing some social media work for someone I'm working for. I absolutely love it. I'm so happy that I know exactly what I want to do now, because it didn't feel like work when I was doing it. Like, I really enjoyed doing it. So yes, I'm just going to take you around my day with me, you know, what I eat, what I get up to, show you some of my outfits and the things that I bought recently, because I feel like I've bought quite a bit, which probably isn't great. I am staying up in London Wednesday night to Saturday. I've kind of been put up in a hotel, which is lovely, with all of Dom's family and my family, because my parents are going as well. And yeah, I'm really excited, so I'm just prepping for that. I got my nails done yesterday. No, yesterday, the day before. I will show you them up close. You'll probably be able to see them better as I'm talking, but I just got square acrylics with OPI gel polish over the top in Bubble Bath, and I really wanted it to be sheer so that they kind of looked natural, even though obviously they're not. But I wanted them to look as natural as I could. They are a bit long. I would have preferred them shorter, but I'm glad that they're sheer so they don't look too in your face. But yeah, I've already had my nails done. I need to do my toenails today, and I'm kind of just, you know, having a pamper prep kind of thing for the weekend. I also wanted to explain in this vlog a little bit about my clear aligners. I currently don't have them in because I've just had breakfast. I'm going to go and brush my teeth and sort that out, but later on in the vlog I'm going to speak to you about my clear aligners with YourSmileDirect, because the majority of messages and comments I get are regarding the aligners, and I have so many questions about them, and people want an update to see how I'm getting on. I'm actually coming towards the end of my treatment and the 12 trays that I've had, so I want to just explain, you know, everything that I've experienced and how I'm liking it. And I can't believe my teeth are straight, but they are. I might put in some pictures as well, but I'll explain that all later. So my dress arrived from ASOS. It is this white cotton shirt dress. I think it's called the cotton mini shirt dress on ASOS. It was £20, but they had 20% off, so I got, well, it cost me £21 with postage because I did next day delivery, but yeah. So this is the dress. It hits just above my knee, which should be fine. I'm just wearing some heeled sandals that I've got on at the moment that are tan coloured. Obviously it's super creased. I'm gonna have to iron it. I've just tried it on straight out of the bag. It's got kind of like a little split here. The sleeves are really good. I got this one in a size 6, regular, not petite, because I knew that if it was going to be petite, being a mini dress, it was going to be a lot shorter. So I ordered it in regular size, but in a 6. I love it. I love it so much. I will link it down below if anyone is interested, but this is just perfect for a day at the cricket. Oh, also you can see my nails. There you go. Wow. Anyway, these crisps, oh my god, I have just been eating them as a snack, which is, it's not great. But if you shop at Aldi, then you might have seen these, but these are hand cooked root vegetable crisps with flavoured sea salt, and oh my god, they're so good. They come with sweet potato, parsnip and beetroot. There you go. There's beetroot and sweet potato. Oh my god, they're so good. I could literally eat a whole bag, which is bad, but I don't like some other vegetable crisps, but these are so nice. I think it's because they've got the sea salt and makes them a little bit nicer, but yeah, I've been snacking on those. So I'm off into town. I'm just wearing these high-waisted black trousers. I've been wearing these so much in summer. They're so nice for English weather because it's hot but it's cold, breezy, so I've been wearing those. Just wearing some flip-flops with them. This white raw hem kind of tank top is from Zara, and underneath I'm just wearing a Calvin Klein bra because yeah, I can't wear a bra with it because it just spills out the side. Hair's up and glasses are Ray-Ban, and yeah, that's what I'm wearing. Also just want to show you this bag. This is from Mango. I bought this in Barcelona. It was 20 euros and it looks like this. It's just like a small little, I don't know what you'd call it, just like a rope style bag. Is that the kind of material that it is? But it's limited edition. I saw this in London when I went to London with Lottie, and I didn't pick it up, but I saw it in Barcelona and I wanted to get it. So yeah, I like this bag, it's cute. So just got back from town and I thought I would show you the stuff that I got in Barcelona and a couple of bits that I got today. So starting off with stuff for the Cricket Lords. For my outfits, I picked up a couple of things in Mango. These were 30 euros, so I don't know what they'd be in English, but there are these navy wide leg trousers, and they have just a drawstring tie. These are really, really smart. They've got a pleat down the front, so they look really lovely, and I'm going to be wearing those with this vest top that I got from Zara. I picked this one up. This is £7.99. It's one of their basic but thick vest tops with the thick straps. It's got kind of like a square neck. It's gorgeous. Picked this one up in a black today actually as well, which is here because I'm going to wear this one to graduation now. My whole outfit is Zara. How interesting for graduation. Yeah, so I just picked those up in smalls. I got the trousers in extra small, and so I'm wearing the trousers with this vest top. It looks so lovely. I'm wearing a cream blazer with that as well, with tortoiseshell buttons, so that will look kind of smart cash. But I also picked up this one from Zara in Barcelona. It's inside out, but you get the gist. It's this little top that ties at the back, and it has frilly sleeves and just goes down like that. Looks really nice with jeans. I was going to wear this on one of the days, but it doesn't look right with any of my wide leg trousers. So I'm probably going to just wear this of an evening if I go out for dinner later on with Dom at all. Finally, from Mango, again, this is the Mango suit collection. This is in a small, and I picked up this just v-neck t-shirt. It's quite thick. It's a really lovely material with a nice texture, and it's something that's really flattering and not too V and deep, so that you just, you know, get a bit of an awkward cleavage going on. It's just really smart and modest. This one was around 15 euros, I think, something like that. That's all that I got in Barcelona. I also just picked this one up in Primark as I nipped into town to get that Zara vest top. I needed a slip to go underneath the shirt dress that I showed you today from ASOS. It wasn't fully see-through at all. I could have got away with it, but I just don't want to try and get away with it at the place that I'm going to, because it is, yeah, it's not a place that you want to be showing your knickers, basically. So I managed to pick up this slip in Primark. It was only £5. I was just looking for a regular slip, but they didn't have any. I had to pick up a firm control one, which is alright actually. I mean, it sucks me in, but I don't need to be sucked in, especially when I'm in a shirt dress. And you can kind of see the top of the vest top when you wear the shirt. And what actually works really well is I just pull this down underneath to sit underneath my boobs, and then you don't see it at all. I think that is everything that I bought. I showed you my Mango bag. I think that's everything I bought in Barcelona. So yeah, I'm just going to start. I've been trying stuff on. I'm gonna try stuff on again because I'm paranoid. Then I'm gonna do an iron, and I'm gonna iron all of my blazer and my shirt dress and everything, so everything's, you know, crease free, and hang it up, and it's gonna travel to London hung. And then I'm gonna pack all of my things because tomorrow I've got a busy day. I've got to edit this video as well. So I want to pack tonight, so I'm going to just try on some more outfits. Later on I will speak to you about my clear aligners. They are currently out my mouth because I'm about to have dinner, but yeah, I just wanted to show you what I got. I'll try and link the items down below if I can, and I can find them on the UK website. I just found them in Barcelona, but yeah. So it's the next morning. I thought I'd wait until today to explain to you kind of my YourSmileDirect thing, because today is Wednesday and I am changing my trays, so I thought I would show you. If none of you know, then I am collaborating with YourSmileDirect, and I have been for a few months now, and I have got clear aligners in my teeth to correct my bottom teeth that were quite crooked before. Clear aligners and Invisalign has always been something that I've thought about doing. So when the opportunity came to me that I could work with them, it was definitely something that I really wanted to do. I've loved working with them, and I honestly, hands down recommend them to anyone. It's quite, you know, it's an expensive procedure, but totally worth it. Your teeth are a huge part. You speak every day, so, you know, everyone can see them. So it's definitely something that I wanted to do, and I've been doing it. I have 12 sets of braces, and I've put them in for 3 weeks at a time. So I'm currently on number 11, so I'm literally 2 sets away from finishing, which is crazy. It's gone so fast, and I think people just wanted an update as to how I'm getting on and if I'd recommend it, which, like I said, I definitely would. I've absolutely loved doing it. Yes, it gives me a few ulcers, and it hurts sometimes when I put my first tray in, but after a few days, you know, you're fine. You have a bit of a lisp, but then it goes once you get used to them. Yeah, I've absolutely loved it. I get so many questions on it. If you do have any questions, then just private message me. That's absolutely fine. Also, with a code, I'll try and leave one down below. If not, just private message me and I'll be able to get you one. The procedure costs, dependent on your teeth really, but around £1,200. But like I said, I think it's totally worth it, because especially with talking to a camera and things and talking anyway, my teeth are on show all the time, so I want to make sure that they're nice and straight, which they pretty much are now. I'll try and insert some photos if I can of what they used to look like before and the process that I've seen, but they're pretty much straight now, which is crazy. So you get all your trays sent to you. This is my 11th tray. It's got my name on it and my doctor or dentist that, you know, does it for me. Yeah, you obviously get a top tray and a bottom tray. These are just my new trays. They're completely straight, which is crazy, but yeah. And I just pop them in. It always feels so tight, and sometimes they really hurt when you put in a new set, and you can probably tell I sound completely different. I might have a bit of a lisp, but I need to get used to them. You just need to wear them for a few days, and then, well, not even a few days, probably literally a day, and you sound, you know, better without the lisp. And you just need to get your teeth moulded to them, really. I can feel that these ones are quite loose on the back, but with time and how they're in and just like chewing on them, basically, not that's chewing with food or anything, just in my mouth trying to, you know, push them onto my teeth, it'll be fine. But yeah, so that's what they look like when they're in. They're at their most visible when you first put a new tray in, so you can probably tell maybe that I've got braces in now, but once you've started wearing them for a couple of days, people won't even know unless you get really up close and they're like, oh, you've got invisible braces. But in the whole, I'm not sure how many months I've done. I think I started around October time. I've only ever had one person say to me, do you wear Invisalign? Do you wear invisible braces? And that was literally last week. So in my whole time that I've had them, no one's ever noticed that I've been wearing braces, or, you know, no one's ever said anything about it. Obviously people realise when you take it out before you eat and you go out and you know, you have drinks and stuff, and then food comes and you're there trying to pop your braces out into a serviette. It's not that glamorous, but the end result will be, you know, amazing. So yeah, that's just a little bit about YourSmileDirect. I wanted to show you popping it in my 11th tray. I have one more that I will be putting in 3 weeks time, but yeah, I've absolutely loved it. I would highly recommend it to anyone. If you're worried about money, I know that YourSmileDirect do a payment plan that you can pay monthly, which is something that if I wasn't lucky enough to, you know, collaborate with them, it's definitely something I consider, because at the point of being, you know, at my most crooked teeth, I was pretty down, and I hated my teeth, and I really wanted them straight. So, you know, there's a way around it. You don't have to just, you know, splurge out £1,200, £1,500 straight away. You can pay monthly, which is great. All their website links and everything down below, but that is the lowdown on my teeth. I've got to get ready. I'm pretty much packed, so I've got to get changed and then I'll be off to London, so I probably won't show you much more. Might just take a small camera with me and show you our Airbnb, but that will probably be the end of my vlog.